Yeah, hey everyone, just a little message. Just like to thank everyone heaps for subscribing and liking the videos and for the messages that get sent through. It's really cool to hear that people are enjoying the videos that we're putting together. We will have some more exciting content coming up. At the moment no one's really driving, everyone's sort of a little caught up with non-car stuff, which happens. So we will have some more exciting content coming up besides just my stupid face and my dumb car. We're going to be doing some work on Adam's S14 and getting that ready again for the track. Just simplifying that car somewhat, making it a little less race car and a little bit more drift car. So we'll do a bit of a machine tune-up series on that car. We also want to introduce a driver profile series of videos. So it'll be really cool if we approach you, if you say that you're happy to be on camera and let us do a little bit of an interview and sit down and have a chinwag with you and talk about your car and you know, what got you into drifting and all of that kind of stuff. And we are all heading to Matsuri, Spring Matsuri in Taupo in November, on the 10th and 11th of November. So myself, Ash, Joel, Adam, Graham, and a few other people who are involved with D Club as well, Taryn, Nick and Brendan, and are all heading down, and we're all driving, so that should be really cool, along with a bunch of other friends from Auckland who are coming down, and Joe hopefully will be filming everything because I'm going to be driving. There we'll get some good action footage. We'll probably put a couple of videos together from that event and it should be really cool, so we're all really looking forward to that. So yeah, thanks again for watching and subscribing and liking and messaging and all that stuff. It's really rad. I really appreciate it. So yeah, we'll definitely keep up with the videos. I'll try and make it as regular as possible. And yeah, we'll see you all out there. Cheers. Update, I'm back again, getting a few more bits buttoned up. Fans have been mounted, fuel pressure rigs all mounted. This is a wrong power steering pump. Don't know if you can really pick it up, but that's how far out the belt is. So that was never going to work. So I've got that one there to chuck on, and we've also got a S14 style reservoir and all of that kind of stuff which will mount up, so we'll crack on with that. Alright, so I am just tidying up the loom under the guard here. There's a whole bunch of this shit which actually is not getting used. Connects up to this fuse box down here, which, I mean, the only thing on there I might end up using might be the headlight stuff, if I can be bothered trying to set it all back up. But I've just sort of pulled it apart, and I'm just jamming as much as I can back inside the cabin. Then I'll sleeve it with some of the shitty mesh conduit stuff and get it all taped up through there, connect it back up over here, and then that's all sorted out. We've got everything buttoned up down here pretty much. Got the little terminals, everything was done, heat shrink over everything. Just gonna heat shrink this up and then finish wrapping it all, and then we'll button it up here. Oil coolers all mounted up down here, and I made the bracket. What are you doing, Graham?
Eating.
Yummy. That's got nothing to do with cars.
No.
That is quite good. That is more to do with living as a human being. Alright, we got this all mounted now. It's pretty good. I just shoved a whole bunch of it back down in that hole. There's a whole bunch in here that didn't need to actually be out here. So that's quite good. That's that all buttoned up. Guys have got all the wastegate lines plumbed up. What we decided to do in an effort to obviously make this car as reliable as possible with few issues, we've gone ahead and done stainless braid and AN fitting for all the wastegate lines. Boost solenoids mounted up there. Turbo plumbing is all done. We've got nice dash 6 stuff for the water, dash 10 drain and bits and bobs. Are you happy, Adam, about it? That I've done it properly?
Yeah.
Good. Doing things properly. Taking the rocker cover off, we're going to give it a bit of a paint job. Just chucked a bit of paint stripper on here. So, and what else we got to do? We've got the engine loom is pretty much all done, all pinned out, all plugged out. I've just got to run some power feed for the relay and extra fuse box thing. And I'm going to pull out this fuel pump, put the DW in, and replace all the rubber lines with ethanol friendly hose. The car's booked in for a tune on the 19th of October. So that is roughly, the date today is the 25th. So yeah, so we've got a few weeks to try and get everything done and get the car running. Ugh. Can we get this on camera? I actually got the cam timing right. I honestly, I was expecting that not to happen.
Is it right or wrong?
It's right.
Oh, so I'm the one that fails. No good.
Ooh-wee.
No, don't touch it.
So if anyone wants the SR cam time, just call Reuben. Cheers. We've got the DW300 mounted in there. We've just got to desolder this and then fit up the appropriate plug, gates, hose, fuel hose in there. So this is all E85 compatible stuff. Got the paint stripper onto the rocker cover. Managed to get all the black off. It's raining pretty heavy outside. And we're going to smooth off the Nissan and the twin cam 16 valve. Alrighty, we have a painted rocker cover. We didn't vlog any of it because I was not here when Adam did it. It looks insanely cool in the light. It doesn't really show up, but oh yeah, a few of the sparkles through there. Looking good. I am just working on, I've mounted this power post down here. Just running some cables for power, obviously, so we run the fuse box. I'm just currently making the cable from the power post to the starter, and And yeah, just getting a few of those bits and bobs buttoned up. Fragile, is this from Italy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is the first unboxing we've done on the vlog. Oh, what have we got going on? Ooh. Fresh Cusco goodies. So what have you ordered, Adam? What have you got going on here?
These are all the arms for the S14 to get it back on the track.
Oh yeah. So this is all adjustable arms, so camber, toe, front caster, and traction.
Yeah.
Sick. It kind of comes up. Yeah, that's like laser etching on the arm. That is so cool. And there's just a casual. What is that? Is that a Hollinger?
Yeah, but like an old H pattern one.
An old H pattern
Old
Hollinger
supercar gearbox.
for the V8 supercar that's getting built here. I think they've actually just put a proper Hollinger sequential in this thing, which is pretty sick, if that's what you're into. Just so you can see the bonnet protrusion, and that doesn't include the supercharger. So now we have that's completely empty. We've got the DW300 in there. We just have, oh, pick this up. Got one of these thingies. I don't really know what it's called, a rear garnish. We've just got to terminate this. We'll terminate that with a plug. That's the main power feed from the relay, which was mounting under the dash. So we just got to sort all that out. The battery is actually connected, so I have run all new power cables through. We've got a post down there, I just need to fit it off. New power cable down to the starter, and then obviously there's power there feeding the original fuse box. We had to run obviously a 12 volt switch from the key, from the accessories, to switch the relays that are going to be under the dash. So I've run that as well. All these little fiddly bits take a while.